Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again, and we're roaming around the junkyard looking for props and stuff, and we came up on this car right here, and it's got all these scratches. Look at that. Okay, look at all these scratches. Okay, now here's the thing I want to tell you guys. These are superficial scratches. Listen, when I go like this, they're not deep, they're very shallow. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to polish these out. Now, not all of them are going to come out, but we can reduce a lot of this and make it shine and pop. And it's just an old car. Look at that. Okay. But just to show you guys, there's a way to do it. And you guys know this. It's Lukat Fix It. This is a paint cleaner. And I'm going to clean this paint. I'm going to just use a terry cloth towel. Always use a terry cloth towel, guys. This is not wax. It's cleaner. So I'm just going to put that on there like that, and I'm just going to go back and forth like that. Okay, I didn't wash this. I'm just doing it on the fly. But I want to show you guys that if you have a paint job that's, lightly scratched or whatever, you got those dogs that like jumping on the side of your car, or you go off-road, okay? Now, not all of them are going to disappear, but you can reduce them and bring it out. Look at that. Okay, you just polish it until it's perfect. Okay, this is not wax. You don't do the circles. You just clean it. Okay, that looks way better. Now do a close-up so they can actually see. If you look carefully, you can actually see the deeper scratches, okay? Now, the way you would remove this is you give it a light wet sanding, and most of this would disappear. Not all of it, but a lot of it. But this is reduced. Now, go ahead and pan back. Come over here. Let me get this second. You look at it now. Over here, it's just like that. And right there, you can barely see. Just there we go. See, these are the deep ones. The Lukat Fix It. It's not a cutter. It's not going to remove these deeper ones. But that looks way better. Way better than that. Okay? I'm going to do another demo right there on that little wheel well part. So I'm gonna do it right here. Okay, same thing again. Just gonna put the polish on the towel. Remember, it's a polish, not a wax. Waxes are for applying on nice looking cars. This is you use this to bring that old ugly paint job back to a smooth and shiny state so that you can wax it. And you only use this one time. It's not a wax, it's just cleaner. This is a really good heavy duty to light duty polish. It just cleans like no other product. Look at that. Voila. Yeah, I'm actually polishing a little extra here, and I'm cool with that because look at the results. Did that show up? Yeah, look at that. Here's a real deep scratch. Okay, compare this to that. That's Lukat Fix It. Okay, it's not a wax, it's a paint cleaner. Okay, you can get those kinds of results. Look at that, from that to that. Wow, it's pretty amazing. So you can actually wax this area now, you can wax that area now. Okay, and you only have to do this one time because it's paint cleaner, not wax. All right, guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. You got questions, give us a call. We love talking to you all. Have a great one. Bye.